morning, children. Today we will learn about the 5th chapter. Okay, that is soil. Okay, now children, tell me, what is soil? It is the topmost layer of the earth. Topmost layer of the earth. So it is actually a natural resource, okay, and it is the topmost layer of the earth. Now tell me, layer, topmost layer of the earth. It means how many layers you learned, you know about the earth. Earth, it is having 3 layers, okay. What are the 3 layers? See, if it is, we are saying about the earth, and the topmost layer, it is known as the crust. Okay, crust, it is the topmost layer, and then the middle layer, it is known as the mantle, and then the innermost layer, that is the core. Okay, these are the layers of the earth. That means if you talk about the structure of the earth, you can see these things. Okay, and here if we say about the soil, soil is present on the topmost layer. Okay, here only you can see the plants are also growing. Okay, plants and even the animals, oceans you can see, big rocks you can see, they are all present on the topmost, that is the outermost layer of the earth. That is the crust portion. Okay, and that only the soil. Understood? Now the next one is what are the uses of the soil. Okay, uses. If you talk about the uses of soil, what is the uses, children? It is used for growing the plants. Okay, so for the growth of plants, in that what we can say, even the gardening, farming. Okay, gardening, farming, everything will come in this only, where for the growth of the plant. Okay, and the second use, if we say what else, it is the natural home. That means it is the natural habitat for some animals. So what is mean by habitat? You already learned in the small classes or that also. That is, habitat means the place where we live. Okay, the place where we live. So here the natural habitat, the soil is the natural habitat for some animals like this rat, snake, earthworm. They are living inside the soil. So they are the natural, it is the natural habitat for such animals. Understood? And even for construction, okay, for construction of big buildings, we are using the soil, mixing the soil with the bricks. And even for the brick formation, brick formation, how the bricks forming? Bricks are also we are making with the help of the soil only. Soil we are mixing it with the water and putting in some molds and then making it. Okay, that is the bricks. And even for that construction work, it is using soil. And then what else? Soil, it is for the houses. Okay, for making the houses, both the houses, whether it is a kacha house, you learned in the small classes, right? Kacha house, or even in the pakka house. Both the houses need the soil. Okay, understood? These all are the uses of the soil. And also we can say the pottery. What is meant by pottery? That means making the pots. Okay, this for even the plants, growing the plants in the pots, or even the this one water filling in that and drinking that in the summer time. That one, it is the pots, making of pots, that is pottery. In that also it is using. Which one? Soil. So understood the uses of the soil. So many uses are there. Okay, so this one understood. And the next topic is what is soil made up of? Okay, what is soil made up of? Before that, I will ask how this soil formed. Okay, formation of soil. Formation of soil. It means how the soil formed. It is actually formed by the breaking up of the rocks. Wow, how? Breaking up of rocks, big rocks. Okay, the big rocks first break into small pieces, then again those small pieces again they break down, and finally it becomes the small fine particles of soil. And how these rocks are breaking? That is with the help of the sun, wind, and even water. Okay, see children, first how this one, first at the beginning continuous the climatic changes, hot summer season, then winter season, rainy season. So this way the climate becomes a change. So that what happens, continuous heating and cooling of the rocks. First beginning what it forms the cracks. Okay, forms the cracks on the rock. Then gradually the crack becomes bigger in size, then it becomes broken down. Okay, this way the rocks are breaking down, and for that these sun, wind and water help. Understand? And that process, one process is there, that process is known as weathering. That is known as the weathering. Okay, understood? What is meant by weathering? Weathering means it is the process of breaking down of the rock into fine particles of soil. See, in 1 or 2 days it will not form, children. The soil, it is already, I said, the soil, it is the natural resource, right? So it is formed by the, that means it takes thousands of years or the millions of years to take to form the soil. Okay, so that this process understood weathering. Okay, now understood how soil formed, right? And now what is present in this? That means the soil is made up of. Okay, what is made up of? The soil is made up of different kinds of things. Okay, that means you can say the different types only. It is gravel. The first one is the gravel. It contains, it is made up of gravel, then the sand, and another one is the clay. Then the last one we can say humus. Humus. Understood? So here the gravel, it is the big particles of soil. Okay, big particles means you can say that mostly that using for the construction work, and even the road for transport, the road are also making by this gravel only, and the construction work at the this one when making the roof, that time also they are using the gravel. Gravel will be mixed with the sand and the cement, then water, then it becomes strong. We can say that in Hindi rodi. Okay, that only the gravel. And then the second one is here it is bigger in size, very big, like this much size it will be. Okay, and then the sand part, sand, they are also they are like this. That means you can say that wraith. Okay, wraith near the seashore, the river bank, there you can see the sand. Okay, it is settled down, and the sand, it also having much air space inside, so the water will not retain there, it comes out, drains out. Okay, sand, that is also using for the construction work. And then the clay are the very minute, that means very fine particles of the soil. They can hold the water much, they are having the water holding capacity more. They are the finest particle of the soil. Okay, they are using for the making the pot and these things. Okay, and then the humus, finally humus. Humus, actually they are the dead remains of plants and animals. the dead remains of plants and animals, that is known as humus. It actually it enriches the fertility of the soil. Okay, the humus, because the dead remains, the plants and animals after dead, what happens, they will mix with the soil and it becomes converted into a blackish black color, okay, grayish or black color substance. That is very good in growing the plants because it contains much minerals and manure it is, okay, fertilizer it is, okay. That means it can be added the where this humus is there, in that place if we are growing the plants, that will grow very good. That means it gives good yield to us, okay, because it contains rich amount of manure and minerals, okay. That is humus. Now all these things mixed together and then forming the soil, okay. And even not only these things, what else it is also present there? Air also there. How you will come to know that there is air present in the soil? So if we take a little amount of soil, then put it in water. What happens when you are putting in the water? You can hear a sound from there, and you can see some bubbles coming out. That means those sand soil contains air. That only comes out in the form of bubbles. Okay. Then it contains water, and then even it contains some of the microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms means they are very small. We cannot see them through our naked eyes. We have to use the microscope. That is only microorganisms. So they are what? Bacteria and even fungi. They all are microorganisms. All these are present in the soil. Okay, so the soil is made up of gravel, sand, clay, humus, etc. Now the next topic is soil profile. Okay, what is soil profile? Soil profile. Soil profile means it is the sequence of the layers of soil. Okay, it is the layers of soil. Sequence of layers of soil. So here when we speak about the already that one you learned, they are the types only. Okay, children, don't confuse with the layers of soil and the types of soil. Okay, that one you learned, that is the layers of soil. Now you are going to learn. Before that you learned, that is the types of the soil. They are gravel, clay, sand, everything. And then one more, it is you learned layers at the beginning, layers of earth. That is different. Okay, earth, that is crust, mantle and core. That is different. Here it is layers of soil. So before attending this questions or seeing this, be careful children, read everything properly. It is layers of soil. So what are the layers of soil? There are 3 layers. Here also 3 layers. Okay, in the layers of the earth also 3 layers. So here the top layer. Okay, top layer, then middle one, then the inner one. Okay, then the innermost one. So here, see, I am drawing here. This is the just taking the cross section of the soil. One piece of soil, if we cut it on the ground, garden, from there, if we are cutting it down, digging out and seeing this, the cross section, it shows like this only. Okay, and the topmost portion. Okay, the topmost portion, this is known as the what it is the, this much it will be. Okay, it is the top soil. Okay, the topmost soil, that is the top soil. Here only you can see the plants. Okay, the plants are also growing on this place. And it's a root, you can see here, up to here it will reach. Okay, and that means the plants grows here. This is the, you can see the roots of the plants up here on the topsoil. Okay, this is the topsoil. Here it is a humus. If we say about here in the topsoil, humus, how it will be? Humus becomes more. Okay, humus more, and water also more water there. Okay, that is in the top most layer of the soil. And next layer is the middle one, that is the, here you can see the fine particles of soil, that is the sand, as well as you can see some rock particles also. Okay, big, that means small pieces of the rocks also you can see. And this is the, what it is, the subsoil. It is the subsoil. Okay, here in the subsoil also what, there they are containing less humus. What humus? If we talk about the humus, how much it is? Less amount of humus. And water, there it is also be less. Okay, less. Understood? And then the last one, this is the bottom layer. Okay, here you can see the big pieces of rocks. Okay, the big pieces of rocks you can see. See, full it is a pieces of rocks. Clear? This is known as the bedrock. What it is? Bedrock. Okay, here if you talk about, there is no humus. Humus, if you are saying, there will be no humus, and water, if you are saying, there will be no water. Okay, understood? So here see, that first one it is the topsoil, and next one is the subsoil, and the third one is the bedrock. Okay, now these are the sequence of the layers of the soil. This is known as what? Soil profile. Understood? So below this also layer, these are the water when it rains. Okay, when it rains, the water comes through this and seeps through these layers of the soil. And here these layers, all are the different layers of the soil, acts like a natural filter. Okay, filter, it the passes through the these layers, and it becomes filtering over there. Okay, and filtering, and finally it collects over here. And that below the rock, bedrock, you can see the water table. Okay, there only the water table. So the water, when we are digging bringing out, drawing out the water from the soil to up through our this tube wells, or even in the well, that one from the water table only, this one coming out. Okay, so understood soil profile, children? What are the three, what is meant by soil profile? The sequence of different layers of soil is known as soil profile. So it contains the topsoil, subsoil, and the bedrock. Understood? So today, what are the things you learned, children? The first one, the layers of the earth, that is the crust, mantle, and core. Then you learned about what is soil. What is soil? It is the topmost layer of the earth surface. It is present. Okay, and then the next one you learned about the types of the soil. That only the gravel, sand, and clay. Okay, that one. That is the types of the soil. That means the soil is made up of these things. And then what are the contents present in the soil? What are the things present in them? Air, water, and the microorganisms present over there. Then this is the soil profile. So these topics you learned today. Okay, then I will explain in the next class about the soil erosion. Okay, how the soil take away from the one place to another place. Okay, till that, children, learn it, read it. Thank you, children.